Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's creating a uproar, and I wonder if this is going to change or not. There's been a few questions about the famous space in the temporary files in Windows Update that now are undeletable if you want, and that are due to the fact that PCs are changing to the checkpoint updates. Some of you have said you haven't seen that yet. It will appear as soon as your PC has been transformed into checkpoint updates. You are going to have this. So I did a cleanup of my Windows Update, and what's left is 8.63 gigabytes. So this is something you can't remove, and it's dumb in a way because it's in the folder of Windows Update Cleanup with a check mark that says, oh, let's clean it up. But even if you try to clean this up, it will stay at 8.63 gigabytes. So that's only for 24H2. A lot of people are asking, is other Windows versions affected? No, 24H2 only. Now, one good question here, and it has to do with the fact that a couple of you said, well, why is it in temporary files? Yeah, that's a good question. The thing is, what we have is a bunch of files that are kept there so that if the checkpoint updates for the smaller updates need to, they can refer to these files. So checkpoint updates are much smaller. They have been shown to be much smaller. A lot of people are saying, well, no, I bet the updates are the same size. No, they're not. There's really a big difference in the updates than the download size. Now, I'm probably sure that a lot of people are not very happy. Honestly, if you have a terabyte drive and you have tons of space left, 8 gigabytes, who cares? But it's not necessarily that is the problem. Is the fact that it's visible in the Windows Update Cleanup, but it shouldn't be in the Windows Update Cleanup if it can't be cleaned. And that's where it's troublesome, and I think a lot of people might find that it's a bug because they say, well, it doesn't go away. So it shouldn't appear there, and yeah, it maybe shouldn't be in the temporary files. It should be in a folder which is, Windows Update files. So I don't know. It's those weird things that Microsoft does that all the time we think about, and you're like, yeah, why Microsoft are you doing things in such a bizarre way? They should have just said, well, we got checkpoint updates coming up, and you'll need 8.6 gigabytes of disk space for this to work. Now, the other question, and one that somebody asked me, is that could this grow in size over time? Aha, that's a good question. Who knows? Could that be 10 or 12 or 15 gigabytes sometime in the future? Yeah, I don't know. It's for now it's 8.6, but we're just starting the checkpoint updates. So for those that clean up and don't see this yet, and it goes to 0, on 24H2 at some point you will have 8.63 also. It's the way that it is for everyone, as checkpoint updates are going to be the norm for the next future updates for Windows 11 24H2. So lots of awkward, bizarre things with Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.